Transfer all of a user's Drive files and folders to a new owner. Sign in to your Google Admin Console, and go to Menu, Apps, Google Workspace, Drive and Docs. Click Transfer Ownership. You can only transfer Drive files between users in your organization. For security reasons, you can't transfer to or from an external user. For From User, enter the current owner's email address and select the user from the results. For To User, enter the new owner's email address and select the user from the results. Click Transfer Files. You might get an error if the current and new owners don't meet the criteria listed on this page in who you can transfer files to and from. Wait for the transfer to complete. The new owner, the previous owner, and the admin who started the transfer get a confirmation email. Tip: if you transfer ownership of many files and folders at once, it might take some time to see the changes.